want to know what makes a woman respect a man instantly. You think it's money, or you think it's by muscle, or it's by buying expensive gifts for that your woman. I don't think it is by all those things that I listed just now. It is the way that man handle himself in some situations that need you to react in a way that is not going to solve any issue. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 powerful ways to make a woman respect you instantly without even doing too much. As a man, you need to grab your seat and watch this video to the end. The last one on the list are the ones that people think is a minor thing, but this number 5 is the one that is going to help you to make a woman give you that respect that you deserve without even saying any words at all. Number 1 on the list. Anytime you notice that your woman starts pulling away and you have checked from left and right that you did not do anything to her that warrants her to start pulling away, what do you have to do as a man? I will tell you to master these tricks of giving her the space that she deserves. If you notice that your woman start pulling away without you doing nothing bad to her, all you have to do at the moment as a man to earn yourself that your respect that you deserve is to give her the space that she wants at the moment. If you do this thing, you will notice that that woman will start even thinking, it's like this thing that I'm doing, is not even shaking this man. Oh, so I have to respect myself and come back to my man. Yes. Number 2, as a man, make sure to always stay calm when you guys are having an argument. Always learn how to stay calm. Always learn how to not use an insultive words when you guys are having a misunderstanding. I know sometimes it may be hard, like when your woman provoke you, you will like to say your mind, you will like to say all those hurtful words to her, but I will advise you to stay calm. Do not use any insultive words on her. Just walk away during that argument. It will help you to earn your respect. Your woman is going to respect you more. But when all you know how to do is, as a man, when you guys are having a misunderstanding on an argument, you will face your woman to begin to have word by word with your woman as if you are a lady. It will make that your woman not to respect you at all. But when you use your brain, when you use your sense, your psychological sense to walk away during that moment or to keep calm, you are going to earn yourself the respect that you deserve as a man, as a guy, as a husband. Sorry guys, I have to fix my lights. So please, if you are watching this video to this extent, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, share this video, like and follow me for more, and also share your thoughts in the comment section what you think about this topic of today. So number 3 on my list is, if you are the type of a man that always say yes to your woman, just know that you are going to reduce the self-respect that you have as a man. Women always love men that can say no to them. Always know when to say no as a man. Say no when necessary. It's not everything that your woman asks you to do for her that you're going to do. If you know that you are not capable of doing that thing at the moment, just tell her that, babe, my love, I don't think that you are going to do this thing that you ask for me to do for you now. I don't think it is necessary for us to do this kind of thing now, in a very calm and a very polite way. When you know how to say no to a woman when necessary, it's going to make you to earn that your self-respect. your self-confidence a lot, and women are going to respect you a lot of more than anything. Not every time they ask you for something, you will give it to them. You are just doing it to please the woman, or you are doing it because you do not want to lose that woman. A woman that loves you is not going to stress you at all. A woman that loves you, we know when you are capable of doing something and when you are not capable of doing anything at the moment. So always know when to say no when necessary. Have that boundaries. Do not do something that you know that at the moment you cannot be able to afford that kind of lifestyle that she's asking you, or that thing that she wants to buy. You know that within you are not capable of doing that at the moment, but you just want to please her. You just want to do it because you love her. That will make you to go an extent of borrowing money from people to afford her need. You don't do that as a gentleman, as a man that have self-respect. You don't do that. You say no to her when you're supposed to say no, and you don't feel any guilt about it. So that is number 3 on my list, guys. Number 3. Wait, let me set my light very well so that's. So number 4 on my list is, as a man that wants to earn that respect from a woman, you do not over-explain yourself to your woman. You don't over-explain yourself. You always communicate clearly. You don't over-explain yourself for people to know your worth. Somebody that loves you, somebody that know what you're capable of doing, you don't need to explain yourself to them. You don't need to explain more than you need to at the moment for them to know what you're capable of doing, for them to know that I can do so thing, or for them to know your self-worth. So the last one on the list today, please, if you are new to my channel, you're welcome once again. Welcome to my space. In here we share a marriage and relationship tips, dating tips on how to work on your marriage, on how to enjoy your relationship and marriage till the end. So do not forget to subscribe to my channel, share this video, follow and like for more. Do not forget to drop your comment where you're watching my video from, guys. So the last one on the list is, you are willing to walk away from that repeated disrespect from anybody. No matter who the person is, you always value that your self-respect more than anything. So you are not staying in a relationship that you know you are being abused as a man, or you are being disrespected in so many occasions. Just because you love the person, you will stay there when you are being disrespected, you are being insulted. As a man that have that self-respect, you always walk away without looking back, without saying any word, without even doing it in a very way that is going to cause quarrel. You walk away gently as a matured man that you are. So if you want to earn a respect, if you want a woman to respect you instantly without doing too much, you have to do these 5 things that are listed today and see how it's going to work perfectly well for you. Do not forget to share your thoughts in the comment section, what you think about this topic today, if it really helps you a lot to know more about how to earn yourself the respect that you deserve. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, share this video, like and comment for more. I love you guys so much. Bye.